get you too out there. Baby, you can give it something.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be installing this wig sent to me from Megalook hair. And this is by the way the second wig they sent me, but I didn't do a review on the first one. I did like a TikTok on it, but it's kind of like this one, but it was brown and like a hazel color, like a caramel color. But yes, bro, this green is everything. So yeah, the pop of green gives it a lot of flavor, to be honest. This wig came in 22 inches, and this is a green skunk stripe wig. So yeah, it's really giving me Shigo vibes. If y'all don't know who Shigo is, she's from the villain from Kim Possible. But yes, like the hair is super pretty. I love it, the color and everything. The thing is, I really didn't have to curl it, plug, bleach the knots or anything. Like I literally just cut the lace and installed it and parted it, as you can see. So it looks pretty nice. Like I love the hair, I love the color. It's super nice. The hair is super thick as well, so it's not thin, it's super thick. And this is the 22 inch, and it stops somewhere down here, but it's already curled. So yeah, and I kind of like only thing I really did do was just curl this part just to give it a hangover effect over my eye, like that. But yeah, overall I definitely love this wig. I give it 1,000 out of 10. Yeah, I think you guys should, go ahead and buy this wig if you want like a pop of color or something like that, or you just want to looking to try something new and you don't know what to go for. I think this wig will be super perfect for that look. But yeah, I love it. It's very pretty. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the install.